I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and verifying it's 0. Do this first to stay safe. Once confirmed, remove the old fixture or open the junction box so you can access wires. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each lead and keep the cable ends neatly separated. Make sure to match colors: black to hot, white to neutral, and green or bare to ground. You need the right tools, wire stripper and connectors, so the connections are secure and long-lasting. Now you join the wires. Twist the matching conductors clockwise and cap them with a listed connector. This prevents loosening. Feed the fan wires through the canopy and attach the mounting bracket to the box so the unit sits flush. Once the connectors are tight, tuck the splices neatly into the box, making sure no bare copper shows. Tighten mounting screws evenly. A wobble means a loose connection. If the fan has a separate light lead, connect it per the same color matching rule. Finish by restoring power and testing everything: cycle speeds, reverse switch, and lights. If it doesn't run, turn power off and recheck your connections. Loose, hot, or neutral is the most common problem. Make sure the mounting bracket is tight and blades are balanced. Imbalance causes wobble and noise. Once you confirm proper operation, snug the canopy and replace any decorative caps. If problems persist, measure voltage at the box and inspect the wall switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.